Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up CarPlay in your Ford Escape. First, ensure your iPhone is compatible with CarPlay, typically iPhone 5 or newer. Next, connect your iPhone using a quality USB cable to the USB port in your Ford Escape. The system should then prompt you on the sync screen to begin the setup process. Simply follow these on-screen instructions to get started and enjoy your connected driving experience. If you encounter issues, start by verifying your iPhone's software is completely up to date. An outdated operating system can sometimes prevent proper connection. Next, inspect your USB cable for any damage. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Finally, try restarting both your iPhone and the Ford Escape sync system. This often resolves minor glitches and reestablishes a stable connection for CarPlay. You can easily personalize your CarPlay experience to suit your preferences. To rearrange app icons, simply do so directly on your iPhone, and the changes will reflect in CarPlay. You can also adjust notification settings for individual apps, deciding which alerts appear on your car's screen. Furthermore, enable or disable specific CarPlay features through your iPhone settings, tailoring the interface to your driving needs. Beyond the basics, you can use voice commands for hands-free control, making calls or navigating without touching your phone. Explore various third-party apps that integrate seamlessly with CarPlay, expanding your in-car entertainment and utility. And speaking of a great driving experience, if your car needs a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals. It's a simple way to keep your ride smelling amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.